My name is Naveen Mistry. I head the lifestyle categories and retail exports for eBay. Today, eBay India launches online biggest watches mall on eBay India, where a consumer can see more than 200 brands and more than 65,000 designs available of watches only. More importantly, a consumer can expect a 30% discount minimum when they buy watches on eBay. And apart from that, we have around 26 international brands which are exclusively launched on eBay, which consumer can see and take a great offer and discount on. Watches. This promotion is launched across India. From a contribution point of view, Andhra Pradesh contributes to around 12% of watches online, and that share is growing. And Hyderabad, people really prefer chronography watches. That's as per our data. Throughout last 6 months. So overall, watches industry offline is growing at 10% YOY, and online watches industry is growing at 35% YOY. On online industry of watches, eBay India holds a market share of more than 21% plus. We are a market leader in watches, and we expect a growth rate more than 200% on watches. We have been witnessing, and we want to accelerate that growth rate in coming months. On eBay India, we have more than 3 crore products available, right from mobile phone to watches to perfume to saris to tablets, and throughout 365 days, when a consumer comes and log in, he sees a great discounts and deals on various product lines. At any point of time he logs in. So watches starts from 399 onwards. It goes to at around 6,000, 7,000, and an average selling price of people buying watches on eBay. Men's watches is around $100, and women watches is around $50. All the format of buying options are available. A consumer can do a prepaid payment by net banking or credit card, and then he can also offer a cash on delivery when he buys watches online through this promotion.